happy wife, happy life.
We are ready to go to Grandma's now. So yun, ando na yung dalawang girls. Nauna na sila kasi ibang sasakyan ang gamit nila. And now we're taking the twins. Daddy is getting her keys. I said her.
I'm a he. She.
She. Bakla.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter, everyone! We'll eat a lot of food in there. Nahilig gumawa ng dessert yung aking biyanan, kaya tiyan ko, oh, medyo lumiliit na, lalaki na naman yan mamaya. Tsaka maraming pagkain doon. Tsaka konti lang naman kami, yung kuya lang ni Calvo, yung asawa ng kuya niya, and then yung dalawang anak ng kuya niya, kambal din. And that's it. Tapos yung dalawang babae, Colton won't be there, yung panganay ni Calvo.
How come?
Secret. Mahabang storya. Basta siya lang yung wala doon. The twins are sleeping.
So I got company today.
Ha?
I got company today.
Why? Because my mother-in-law's house is only like 5 minutes drive, hun?
Oh no. 2
I like
minutes.
the lipstick that I wear. Did you see the lipstick that I wear? It's like a nude.
Yeah.
You can hardly see it, but I like it.
Abby, you did again?
Then it's going to be their loss if you don't look for them.
Did you get any hits?
I'm tired. I hit one back to the pitcher,
Someone shouldn't have been out so
and
late.
then I hit one to right field, and
How they been doing it?
Yeah.
Did you bunt a ball?
yeah, I had a good run.
Base hit? Yeah, man.
You don't know. That's Dawson. When she was talking to him down there, she kept calling him
Yeah, I
Braden.
thought it was oh my god, that's so much alike right now.
I know.
Don't they? I can easily tell.
I knew
them
you were calling the
apart.
wrong name.
Dawson still has the hair.
Yeah, look at Braden's hair.
I can't
Still
believe
have,
that.
you still have the mark?
You want another Easter basket? Here. Here, you can read the card again.
He just bucks.
Picture.
That's an Easter basket. No, I cannot do this with one hand. Oh yes, you can.
Look at his face. Look. He's not feeling it. He's not right up to the snap yet.
I think they're excited.
I think they are too.
They're excited.
What? He dog.
Read it,
Say,
Tom.
Sissy, take
Taylor says they can't see
Out
it.
the
Easter's
grandson.
They gotta be so many months old.
He.
Dawson,
They're not there yet.
lot of fun. All the Easter things to do.
They're understanding.
Love the lot today.
They've got the easier one.
Hey, Dad, can you grab that green one up there for me?
Oh, gosh.
She already see.
Oh, jeez. Hey, that's mine already. I grabbed that.
Who's doing the Easter egg hunt? The twins or the
That's-
girl?
It's for the twins.
They got their names on one of them.
Oh no, the rest of them are. They're not all around here, are they?
Oh.
Are they in the other room?
No, they're all in
Bend
there.
over.
Look over the chairs and stuff.
Grandma, I got babies in my hand.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Dad, give me one.
No. What?
Dad, give me.
I'm pushing it back further.
I can't get down.
Hold on.
Oh no, it fell. It broke
I'm trying to
open.
knock it out.
Oh, there's cute socks in them. The teething things.
Look,
Look, we can grab you some candy. Let's get your binky out. How about that?
Whoa. Go find that binky baby.
Someone better open the binky. Someone open the binky. This is Gavin. Come here.
A binky.
Best gift of all.
I know. It's a binky.
That's gross.
I seen you,
Your dad
Dad.
is already getting the money.
Taking his money.
You only got a 5, Braden. You only got a 5.
All right. Now we can take a picture, right, Brandon? You'll be good, baby. You take a picture with Sissy now?
Oh my god.
Brandon,
That might be maybe they got.
Why can't you just take a picture with Sissy?
Otherwise.
Oh, that buddy. Came. The other one.
It only came.
Yeah, there's another one
got it?
wrapped in somewhere.
This?
You're making
That's
me
the other
sweat.
sock.
Yeah, I don't get this.
Ow.
Yeah, you get one
Girls.
sock.
Oh
The
my
other one's
gosh.
just-
When you guys have
I,
you guys
thought they
get a
did. Don't
20?
make sense, does it?
No,
this
it's
is the
20.
thing, the washing
Huh?
machine.
Like 20.
Yeah, you never got a 20,
Don't
did
make
you?
sense, does it?
You just
I
little?
thought I had 2 of those.
No.
It don't make sense, does it?
Braden, you lost one, bud.
After washing
You lost the sock.
See, look at him.
He still has his 20. Look.
Oh, we're taking pictures.
I ain't letting go.
Don't let go of that 20.
Oh, hold on. Put your pinky. Okay, you ready to smile now?
Here, buddy. Now you put that in my wallet.
Okay. Look, now we can have our winner's picture.
Dawson, peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Oh, God, this is so good. It's so sweet. You're so good. Oh. Was that Dawson?
Oh no, this one's been too number 2.
Hi, Raiden.
Back in a minute, we'll look at his
You all
wallet.
heard him.
Uwian na guys, so I got a lot of food here. Daming pinabaon ni Bianan. Actually, pambaon ko sa work. And Cabo always say, no, thank you, no. But he's gonna eat some of this food. Nuh-uh. It's always like that. Anyway, Twins has Easter basket from grandmas and grandpa, and I'll show you guys later what they got. And then they also got money. Daddy got it.
It's in my wallet. We'll go use it.
Use
They
it
want
for what?
formula.
Formula. Ang biling gatas. And yeah, from their egg hunting. Yan. Wala ka alam-alam. Yung mga matatanda ang nag-enjoy. And the girls already went to their mom. Taylor already went back to saan yun?
Yeah.
Sa college, sa dorm niya. It's like 2 hours drive.
Yeah, 2.5.
Galing dito. So, yun. Pauwi na kami and Cowboy is going to mow 3
Yeah.
yards.
I got 3 or 4.
Yeah, so
I'm trying to hurry up and get a start on it for tomorrow.
pasok na ulit bukas. Ito nga pala guys yung mga pagkain pinadala ng biyanan ko. Check ko muna kung ano-ano itong mga to. Ito, chocolate cake. I knew that. And what's this? Brownies and cookies. This is baked beans. Burger patty. Baon ko bukas sa work. Buns. This is macaroni cheese. Mac and cheese. And I think this is baked potato. So, ito yung Easter basket na binigay ng aking mother-in-law sa Twins. I think this one, para siyang, ayan, nakalagay dito, para siyang socks and merong mga laruan, parang naaaliw sila. Ewan ko, first time ko makakita nito. So, ilalagay mo, ayan, ilalagay mo sa paa nila and then I think it will entertain them. Ayan. May socks, meron sa kamay. So, I will try to put this to the Twins. I think they will like it. Tig-isa sila. Tapos, ito, tig-isa silang Easter basket. Ito kay Dawson, and then ito kay Braden. Parehas lang ata yung laman nito. Diga, clothes. Ayan. May bago na namang damit yung kambal. Tig-isa sila. Parehas lang. And then socks. Kailangan nila ng bagong socks kasi ang liliit na ng socks nila. Si Brady nanonood lang sa akin. Good. New toy, baby. Ayan, toy. I don't know how to play this. Roller elephant. Easy to roll along. It's like pag nagro-roll over na sila, parang hahabulin nila to kasi nagro-roll din to. Okay. We're gonna try this later, babe. Ito yung card. Grandson. And I'm keeping all their cards na bigay ng kanilang grandma and grandpa, and then I'm gonna give it to them when they're older. Ayaw mo, baby? Tinapon ni Brayden. Ito naman yung laman ng mga Easter egg na kinuha ng mga ate nila. Ito, puro socks, and we really need socks kasi ang liliit ng socks nila. Ayan, buti na lang madaming binili si grandma, hindi na kami bibili. So, parehas lang. And then this one, ang cute kasi you can put this sa kanilang kamay. Kasi nga, di ba kung napapansin nyo, yung kambal lagi nang nagngangat-ngat ng kamay. So, pwede mo itong ilagay sa kamay nila, and then ito yung ngangat-ngatin nila. Kaya lang, tinry namin kanina, tawa kami ng tawa kasi si Dawson, panay ngat-ngat, na ano siya, hindi pa siya sanay. So, ayaw niya, tinatanggal niya. So, masasanay din sila. And Dawson got a different toy. Pares lang siya, gamit din, matutulungan din sila kapag nag-crawl na sila, kapag gumagapang na, parang, ayan, lalaruan nila to. And then, the same clothes. And a card. So, yun lang guys. Ayan, I'll keep this Easter basket. Ang cute. Pwede ko itong paglagyan ng mga kung ano-anong abobot nila doon sa loob. Mga maliliit like siguro shampoo. Ang cute. So, Calbo went mowing and late na yun makaka-uwi kasi, you know, may mga cook-out ngayon yung mga customer niya. So, hindi siya nakapag-mow kaninang umaga. Kaya, ngayong hapon na lang kasi tapos na. So, I'm gonna go get Brayden and then I'm gonna end the vlog. He got excited. Dawson is still sleeping. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. I hope everyone had a happy Easter like us. Bye everyone! See you tomorrow! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye everyone!